Good morning. It is a Wednesday morning and I am on the way to Scotidi Race Development to get the new angle kit. I'm just excited to show you guys the install. What's up guys, this is Morgan Drifts and today we are installing an angle kit on my Mustang here. This is the Scotidi Race Development angle kit.
Just kidding, I'm Scott with Scotidi Race Development. Just here to go over a few of the benefits of the Scotidi Race Development angle kit for 79 to 04 Mustangs. And then we're going to put it on Morgan's car. So it's pretty simple, straightforward. We wanted to go with an easy to install, easy to maintain, easy to replace parts kit for the everyday drifter. The price point is perfect for people just getting into it, but the quality and benefits of it are good all the way up to like a Pro-Am level car. So these include steel plate arms that are 2.5 inches over factory to give you more clearance. It comes with these billet adapters to bolt onto the spindle. And these give you a shorter steering arm, which means more angle, but they're also Ackerman adjustable, so you can set the Ackerman that fits your driving style. And if you don't know what Ackerman is, it's just the rate of change between the wheels at angle. It's also come with these, which are steering stop plates. These just bolt on where your brake caliper goes, and it provides a place for the bolt to stop, so you don't over-angle your car and run the wheel into something. And then we just have a bunch of hardware. It comes with extended tie rods, all PTFE lined rod ends, grade 8 hardware, and the instructions are on the website, so it's pretty easy to install.
Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
Are we live?
Well, kinda.
Okay, alright, so anyway, let's lube up a ringer.
It better be blurred out.
Oh, probably sensor bar right over it while I'm doing it.
Is this thing on? So we're trying to install. So I had never done one of these kits with BCs before. Everybody always asks us questions on them. So we wanted to see what we could do with BCs instead of having to do a different top hat or anything. What we found is you can just flip the top hat side to side and then run them long ways. So instead of using the adjustment in the factory top hat for camber, we're gonna use it for caster. So these cars from the factory come with like 3.2 to 3.5 degrees of caster, which is not good for drifting. So we want to get as much caster into the car as possible, which even at the back spot like that, it's nothing crazy. It's like 6 to 7 degrees of caster, but that's good enough for what we wanted for this. The car has factory camber adjustment in it, so you still can use those slots, and honestly, if you wanted to get more camber adjustment, you could slot them out more, but this is a nice, cheap, and easy way for people with BCs to get caster adjustment out of their car instead of having to buy a different top hat or do something custom.